In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk messages on Manychat with ease. Whether you're a business looking to engage with your audience or just looking to streamline your communication, Manychat's broadcasting feature can be a game changer. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get your messages out there efficiently. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Manychat website. If you're not familiar with Manychat, it's a platform that allows you to automate chats and campaigns across various channels. Once you've reached the site, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But today, we're assuming you're ready to log in and get started. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and select Broadcasting. Broadcasting is the key feature we'll use to reach your audience in bulk. You'll find this option on the side panel, so go ahead and give it a click. Now that you're in the broadcasting section, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Plus New Broadcast. Click on this button to start creating a new bulk message. Manychat offers a variety of channels for your message delivery, such as Messenger, SMS, or WhatsApp. Choose whichever channel suits your needs best, taking into account where your audience primarily interacts with you. Next, let's craft the message itself. If you're using Messenger as your channel, you can utilize the new Flow Builder. This tool is incredibly user-friendly and allows you to incorporate different types of content, including text, images, and buttons, adding a dynamic touch to your message. Take some time to explore these options to enhance the engagement level of your broadcast. After crafting your message, it's time to think about your audience. Manychat provides the option to apply conditions or select specific contact lists. This feature is pivotal if you want to narrow down who receives your message, ensuring it's targeted and relevant for your chosen audience. If you're using Messenger, you might need to select a content type for your message, such as non-promotional or mixed, depending on the nature of your communication and Manychat's guidelines. Finally, when your message is ready, you have two choices. You can either click Send Now to dispatch your broadcast immediately, or if you need it to go out at a specific future date and time, click the clock icon next to the button to schedule your message accordingly. And there you have it. Sending bulk messages on Manychat can be done efficiently by following these straightforward steps. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore these features until you're comfortable. Thanks for watching the video, and happy broadcasting.